Rameshwor Prasad Dhungel, Nepali 0.G6M50M08 and a G2, a regional chairman of Nepali Congress, is a member of the 2nd Nepalese Constituent Assembly. He won the Bhaktapur 2 seat in Nepalese Constituent Assembly election 2013 from the Nepali Congress. Personal life. Rameshwor Prasad Dhungel was born on 12 July 1960 in Katanj, Bhaktapur to Dasharatha Dhungel and Lila Kumari Dhungel. He holds bachelor's degree in humanities faculty. Political career. He started his political career since 1979. He was elected as chairman of Katanj VDC in 1992 and in 1997 twice. He also served as the chairman of Kajan Gatikola Drinking Water Project, zonal representative of Nepal Children's Organization, central representative of National Cooperative Association, founding chairman of Ganeshman Memorial Foundation. References